What's up, vlog? Yan. What's up, guys? It's me, Cheska. So, yun. Ang tagal ko na ulit hindi nagpo-vlog. Oh my God! So, it's been 3 years na nag-stop ako mag-vlog. Kasi, a lot of things happened sa loob ng 3 years na yun. In 2022, my father died. It was not an accident, pero it was a calling naman. And doon nag-start lahat na mabago lahat ng buhay ko. Like, boom! Bago lahat. 2023, I moved out. So, andito naman ako sa best friend ko. But it was an apartment. And it was good. Kasama ko yung dog ko. And minsan dinadalaw ako ni Angel. So, kung naalala nyo yun, mag-watch na lang kayo ng video ko. Tapos, this 2024 naman, ang ganap ko ay, I'm a 4th year student, Hospitality Management, yung course. Yun, graduating na tayo, hopefully. And also, ang achievement ko for this year's ay, eto, yan. But, yan, thankful din ako na, alam mo yun, nag-ship ako in that journey, to that journey, kasi, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na, alam mo yun, magiging ganyan. So, yun. Ayun lang ang aking happenings. And also, I will, vlog it, or kwento it, sa inyo, kung ano mga naging ganap ko. Yan. So, yun guys, gusto ko lang naman kayo update na I'm back to vlogging, yes. But hindi ako magde-daily vlog kasi it's so tight the schedule. Pero, ngayon, ay, ayun, what's in my day? Yan, naisipan ko lang ulit mag-vlog ngayon kasi, i-retouch ko ulit yung mga YouTube vlogs ko nung, teenager pa ako. Well, now, I'm not a teenage now. Pero, hindi, guys, kasi kakagising ko lang, pasensya na. Yan, so I hope you still support me. But okay lang naman kasi I'm just doing this for myself lang. And also, gusto ko yung point na napapanood ko yung sarili ko sa vlog na to. So, yan. And oh my gosh, guys, please, hindi na po ako nagko-content ng giveaway. It's before. It's just a fun game before. And now, may bago na po akong TikTok account. I don't know if nakikita nyo pa ako or what. Yan. Stay tuned. So, yun guys. In-update ko lang kayo na I'm still alive. Gonna do vlogging. Yes. And also, magta-travel vlog ako. Hoping talaga na matuloy yung travel vlog ko na yun. Kasi next year, there's travels na mangyari. Gaganap. So, stay tuned! Guys, stay tuned! Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Matutulog na ako ulit. Bye! Subscribe!